question is to the Premier. Speaker, we now know that this government's flawed paid sick days program will end on March 31st with nothing to replace it. Instead of fixing the flaws in the program, instead of increasing the days from 3 to 10, instead of making them annual and permanent and employer paid, instead of making them available for all illnesses, not just COVID, this government is abandoning sick workers. Why does this government believe that workers without paid sick days should be forced to give up their pay if they have to stay home when they are sick?
Minister of Labour, Immigration, Training and Skills Development.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I'm proud that our government was the first in the country to bring in paid sick days during the pandemic. I'm also proud of the fact that we've been able to help 558,000 workers across the province. Many provinces, as a member opposite knows, didn't bring in paid sick days. But Speaker, the other thing we should all be proud of is that we have one of the highest vaccination rates in the world, and that's because of our paid sick day program during COVID that supported workers to allow them to go out, take time off work, and to get vaccinated. Mr. Speaker, I'm now looking forward to being the first in all of North America, under the leadership of Premier Ford, to start working on our plan to bring in portable benefits, health and dental benefits for millions of workers that don't have those benefits today.
Supplementary question.
Speaker, this week the Financial Accountability Officer reported that a record number of Ontario workers, over 400,000, did not go to work last year because they were sick. Many Ontario workers, however, don't have that choice. They drag themselves into work sick because staying home means not being able to pay the rent or buy the groceries. It could even mean losing their jobs. Forcing sick workers to go to work sick is not only bad for worker health and public health, it's bad for productivity and our economy. Speaker, BC understands this. 15 U.S. states with paid sick days understands this. Why doesn't this government?
Mr. Labour.
Well, the member opposite should tell all those small businesses who have struggled during the pandemic that if the NDP were in power and they legislated 10 paid sick days and made those businesses pay for those 10 paid sick days, you would force hundreds of thousands of businesses into bankruptcy. We're not going to do that. Mr. Speaker, we've taken a balanced approach to help 558,000 workers get through COVID, to have those paid sick days in place. But, Mr. Speaker, we've increased the minimum wage. There's another increase coming soon. We're going to be the first place in all of North America to have portable benefits for millions of workers that don't have them today. We'll continue every day working for the workers of this province, helping them get better jobs and bigger paychecks.